Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And once again, somebody sent me a video that wasn't in English, and the gentleman goes way too fast, and I had to slow it down myself to get it to work. So this is a Gaussian blur of a line. I'll just show you how I created that line. You know, just make it like, well, let's make it a little thicker. Well, no, and then let's turn it black. Then let's go to effects and blur, Gaussian blur, and bump it up quite a bit. And there's a lot of things you can do with this, you know, more or less, make it too blurry, less blurry, and just say okay. But to get this effect, this has to be in a group. And then you'd want to put, and what we're doing, we're kind of making a shadow where this line's bending. So with that selected, just go up to Object and PowerClip, place inside frame, and just touch one of those. And what it did, it put it inside the frame. So it looks like it's a shadow or a bent. The gentleman that made the video was actually doing letters that he bent. But I just thought I'd make this to help the gentleman understand what he was doing. Pretty cool effect. I will be using that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.